Alright guys, I'm back with my Portland pressure washer. I had to buy a new hose. Right now I'm going to show you what my old hose is doing. Let me turn it on real quick. See? Shooting water everywhere. That's the old hose right here. Alright, so as you can see with the electric and the gas one, they don't come with the little clips, but I did put the adapters on mine and on the front and on the back on the water hose. So I'm about to take this one off real quick. Let's see. Got a little pressure on it. Alright, so alright guys, I forgot the water was on and it splashed everywhere, all on my phone, all on my face. Alright, so I went and bought a better quality hose, high pressure, 25 foot. Pretty nice. I also got the shorter gun, and I'll show you what my other gun looks like. It's the original one that came with it. I think I like this one better. This right here is the old gun, 1750 PSI. Pretty long. Alright, so like I said, I got the attachments on mine, so I kind of upgraded a little bit. So I screw in so I can pull mine on and off. Alright, so as you can see, this is over 25 foot. Alright, so I'm about to get ready to wash one of the cars we have. See how much pressure it has. That's just this right here. I think I got a 2250 PSI hose on it now. It reaches all the way around on the car. That's one of the things I like about it. Alright guys, I got my super soaker right here. This right here is going to soak the whole car up. All I'm going to do is hook it right here to this right here, just like that. Alright. Lots of power. Alright, so we got the whole car covered. Bam! Alright, now we'll come back. Alright, got the whole car clean off, and this thing is amazing. Pretty good. Right here on Amazon. The end.